Well, the other big consumer news item today, the start of tax filing season. The IRS tonight is now accepting e-filed returns, but it says please don't file until you have your W-2 forms in hand. Meantime, you have 2 extra days to file this year. The deadline has been pushed back to Monday, April 18th. Before you start filing, though, the IRS is warning tonight about a new rash of scams expected to target taxpayers this year. Now, last year, scammers grabbed millions of dollars in refunds that weren't rightfully theirs. Well, here's how to protect yourself. The start of tax filing season means the start of tax scam season. And for 2016, the scams are expected to be worse than ever. Last year, Kathy Lohman fell victim to tax scam number 1. Someone else filed under her Social Security number. She then had to prove who she was.
Well, someone with your Social Security number is already filed, so therefore you have filed.
IRS spokesperson Jennifer Jenkins tells me file early before a scammer tries filing under your name.
So you're increasing your chance that with your delayed, filing, that they may step in and file a bogus return.
Now here's tax scam number 2, and this one really ensnares a lot of people. It's an email from the IRS, or at least it appears to be from the IRS. The email says click here for the latest on your tax refund, but it's a phishing scam to steal your Social Security number.
The IRS does not contact taxpayers by email.
And tax scam number 3, the IRS phone scam, where a caller threatens you with arrest unless you pay money immediately. Martin Lemick got that call last year.
He gave me a name and stated that he was from the U.S. Treasury.
So the IRS would not be threatening immediate arrest.
If you get the call, as thousands have, hang up. Now, here's some good news. The IRS this year is taking some extra steps to confirm people's identity through a PIN number and other reasons if they receive a request for a tax refund that doesn't quite match up with the return you filed last year. Let's hope that those extra steps reduce that fraud of people getting your refund. That was a big one last year. We'll see what happens this time so you don't waste your money. Tanya.
All right.